Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix error reading Pak Files error in the Apex Legend. So I will show you the 5 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So in our first method we need to clear the origin cache. For this, open your run box by pressing Windows plus R at once and then search here for %program data %/origin and then click OK. And here you will find such type of the interface. Basically you have to just select all of the files and the folders from here and then right click and then click on the delete, but make sure that you not have to delete a folder which is named as local content. So after completing this deleting process, you have to just close this window and refresh your PC or laptop 1 to 2 times and then right click on your recycle bin and then click on empty recycle bin and then click on the yes. And right after that you have to just restart your PC or laptop one time. After restarting you have to just again open your Apex Legend and this time hopefully your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our second method, you have to just right click on your Apex Legend on your desktop, then click on the open file location. And in the file location you have to just again right click on your Apex Legend setup and then click on the properties. So this type of the pop-up window will open for you. Here you have to just click on the compatibility and then click on the disable full screen optimization and run the program as an administrator. You have to just tick these two options and then click on the apply and then click OK. After doing so you have to just close this window and again open your Apex Legend. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our third method, you need to verify your game files. For this you have to just open your Steam library and then right click on the Apex Legend. Then click on the properties, click on the local files and then click on the verify integrity of your game files. Moving to our fourth method, you need to sign in your Apex Legend via the account that is linked to your Apex Legend like the PlayStation Network, Twitch account, Steam, Google or any other that is connected to your Apex Legend. Doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. If not, then you have to just try the fifth and the final solution, which is waiting for the update. If any update is available for your Apex Legend, then you need to update your game. After doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.